Okay, Bird and the Bees, take 2. Okay, this lecture or lesson is about puberty.
Okay.
I was like, okay.
We are all females. I'm a female. Bree, you're a female. And Ellie, you're a female. As girls and ladies, we have certain parts to our bodies that a boy does not. Who can tell me one of those parts?
Penis, I'm just
We have what, Ellie?
vagina.
We have a vagina. Brielle, what else do we have that boys do not have?
Okay, long hair.
No, some boys have long hair. It's it's in the upper part of your body.
No. Ellie, say it.
Knockers.
Breasts. Or peckers.
Chicken breast.
What? Where did you get that?
As you grow older and become young ladies, the breast begins to form. And also, your body will start releasing an egg every month. And what happens if the egg does not get fertilized?
Yeah.
You have your, what's it called? Period. Basically, all I know
No.
is that you
No.
pee blood constantly. But I was like, my innocence is destroyed now.
Bree, I need you back in the video.
Get in here.
How old are you, Bree?
She's 9 years old. She's not supposed to be learning these stuff.
That's okay. Some girls get their periods really early. Bree, I need to see your eyes. Okay.
Rip.
So if one day you notice when you go to use the toilet that you see something red, you have to run to me right away.
And
Okay?
be like, Ma, I have my period.
Yeah, I have my period. Now,
Mom is gonna be like, okay, time to get you a man. Okay?
Wait.
time to get
Wait,
you a
wait.
what?
A man.
A what?
Man.
Get who a man?
Me, like one of your daughters who gets the period first, which is kind of gonna be me.
No.
Mommy didn't understand my joke. Oh, Jesus.
Okay, yeah. Let's not joke about stuff like that. Okay. That's all you need to know tonight. I'm exhausted. Bye.